I've got my half-gallon sprayer, and I'm going to mix up some of this Roundup weed and grass killer concentrate. You can use this in a dial sprayer for larger areas, but this kills grass as well as weeds, so be careful of that. I highly recommend using gloves. This stuff is potent. There are some lines on the cap, and I filled it just above the top line, so that's 3 ounces. Then I just poured the cap in my half-gallon of water, put the top back on, gave it a gentle shake. Pumped up my sprayer, and off to work I go. Here's a perfect candidate to go first. I just sprayed it until it was completely wet. Now for the heavy stuff. I just started to go to town. All this St. Augustine grass grows right under my fence and pushes my mesh owls. I want this all gone. I just soaked the whole fence line. Remember that first plant? 8 hours later, this is what it looked like. Everything I sprayed was turning gray. And after 24 hours, this is what it looked like. Amazing. Everything dead. What a difference a day makes. This stuff definitely works. I'm going to spray this all over my trouble areas from now on.